Why jingle bell in your belly, jingle bell in your belly, make bad man. Jingle bell in your belly, jingle bell in your belly. Me I wonder if you catch my drift. Your body I'm a Christmas gift. And me.
Good morning. Oh my god, you guys, I don't even know where I left off. I don't even know where I left off yesterday, but I'm super happy because I just knocked out so many people for Christmas. Like my mom, my niece, sis, my god kids, like, and on a girl, if you ever, oh my god, if only they did not watch the vlogs, then I could show you guys. But bruh, like I'm going to the dollar store right now. I gotta go get something to cook, and then I gotta go get the stuff to like put stuff in. Also today is Jazari's birthday, Marlon's cousin, so I got her a birthday gift as well. So I gotta go to the dollar store, pick up some stuff to wrap up my stuff in, and then also like a birthday stuff and stuff. So that's what I'm heading to do right now. I'm just leaving the area where I was shopping in. So whew, like I was fretting because like bruh, it's Sunday, Christmas is next week Monday. Like oh my god, I was getting nervous, but I think I am almost good. I gotta actually go home, write out a list, put what I've got for every person. I still need to do a little bit add-ons and stuff, but like majority, like at least I know there's stuff going underneath my tree. So I'm really excited about that. So I'm gonna go pick up some wrapping paper, some boxes, and like tags, Christmas cards. I think that's about it. So yeah, I hope you guys are having yourself an amazing Sunday. I still don't know what yet I'm gonna cook. I really want to make stew peas. I really want to make stew peas, but time ago, it's almost 4 o'clock right now, so I don't know if I make stew peas, what time I go done. Well, maybe, you never know. So I'm gonna do that, and I will catch you guys later. Okay, because my sticky thing, as I was saying, my sticky thing isn't sticking, and I only have 2 minutes left on this memory card. So I'm gonna go, and yeah, so as I said, I will catch you guys later. I missed you guys. I've been so tired this weekend, like just tired and busy, so forgive me, but yeah, bye. Hola. So I'm home. Let me quickly show you guys what I bought for Zari. So the first thing I got her was this perfume. It's like supposed to be like the impression of Britney Spears' Fantasy. I don't know what it smells like, I don't know anything like that, but it was for kids, so I said let me get it. She's turning 6, so, and she's like 6 going on 16. A big woman that, so I figured she should have one. So this is what it looks like, and it was $7.99 but half off. Yeah, $3.99. And then I got her this shirt. It's me wrong never, so cute, with silver, I mean gold on it and stuff like that. Yes, goody. And that was originally $9.99, and it was 50% off, so it came up to $4.99. And then she loves wearing these like cute little headbands and stuff like that, so I got her this heart silver one. They had a rose gold, but they were like mashup. This is the only good one, so I got her this. And that was, the headband was $4.99, and then with 50% off it came up to $2.49. And the last thing I got her is this cute little bag. It's supposed to be for adults, but I figured the face on it was like kitty-ish, so I got this for her. It was originally $19.50, but it was 70% off, so it came up to $5.85. So I spent about 20 bucks. Got 4 cute little items. I get her this bag, and I got her this card. I'm gonna just go right in there and do up her bag, and then Marlon is supposed to be going up there, so he will give that over to her, and then yeah, that's it for today. Next week is Christmas, so doing this all over again. And then I got the bags that I was telling you guys that I was gonna go get. I got these big ones. So like the clothes stuff, I love this one. And then this season's greetings and Merry Christmas. And what else did I get? I got the gift tags. That's about it. This is the stuff that I got for... I can show you guys the sweater about my mom. She's not gonna see this. I got this really nice warm. Like my mom is just... She likes to be warm and she likes these kind of things. So I got this for her. It was on sale. Originally it was $36. Do you guys see this? Like I'm blessed when it comes to sales, okay? So yeah. So I got that. And so I'm just gonna put everyone's kind of gifts together. And yeah. That's all I have for today. I'm cooking right now. I did not end up making the stew peas. I'll probably make that tomorrow. I ended up making just some barbecue chicken. I have that in the oven right now. And then, yeah, I'm about to watch a show called Greenleaf. Sade put me on. She kind of gave me a synopsis on what it was about. So I'm going to start it. There's 2 seasons. I'm starting season 1, episode 1 right now. So I'm just going to do that until later. If anything interesting happens, I will come back. But I think that will be it for now. Oh, my wig. I did finish it. I just have to actually cut it and see if I can rock it. Yeah, this week I'm gonna be visiting the companies, so they'll actually see my face. So I gotta kind of look presentable a little bit, you know. So this piece I have to cut that. But yeah, so this is supposed to be like a U part, but I should have treated this as the end of the cap and did it that way, but hopefully it's not too big of a U part for me to leave out some of my hair. I think it should be fine. If not, it's Christmas Day, I might still be throwing this in my hair. So yeah. So let me go do what I gotta do, and I will see you guys again if there's anything interesting happening. I'll come back and talk to you guys. If not, thanks for watching, and I will see you guys tomorrow in in day 18. Day 18, y'all. We came a long way from day 1 to day 18. I'm so proud of myself. So later. So guys, this is today's Sunday dinner. White rice with some barbecue chicken, you know, I had my carrots and my peppers in there and stuff, and some salad with some coleslaw dressing. If you guys have never had coleslaw dressing, don't sleep on it. If you love coleslaw, even if you don't love coleslaw, this dressing is just but yeah, that's my Sunday. So bon appetit. Look at that gravy. Cheese.
Just like when Christmas a come.